Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhone or iPad after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, as you all know that Apple has officially released the iOS 18 beta version. But many of you are complaining that after updating to it you are facing an issue of guide access. That your iPhone guide access feature is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first and simple step is to make sure that guide access is enabled on your iPhone. Guide access isn't enabled by default, so you must turn it on from settings. Besides, if you have used guide access on your device before, but now it is not turning on, you may have unknowingly deactivated it. So you have to open the settings, then go to accessibility, scroll down and go to guide access, tap on it and you have to make sure that it's enabled. After this, then you have to simply ensure the accessibility shortcuts for guide access is enabled. Enabling the accessibility shortcut provides a reliable option to activate the guide access whenever needed. Typically, the triple click function is set to activate the guide access. But if it's not working, you have to do is simply go to accessibility and you have to do is make sure that it's selected. After trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply turn on and off the guide access on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply go to the guide access and turn it off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your all settings. To do this, you have to simply open the transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix guide access not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.